guys, what's the tea? Today's video is going to be an updated apartment tour. I did one when I first moved into this apartment about a year and a half ago, but there have been a lot of changes, so I thought it would be cute to film an update and show you guys where things are now. And I will link the previous apartment tour if you want to take a look. But if you want to see what my place looks like, then just keep watching. So the first thing you see when you come in, the front door is literally to the left, is this coat rack slash shoe rack piece. And I got this from Amazon, and I just have a little candle sitting on top. This is where we keep our shoes. I know they're a little bit messy, but this is real life. And we also have this mirror here. I love the irregular shape. I just think it's really cool. So the mirror was here first, and then we added the shoe rack just because we really needed some more space for it. So this is kind of a look of the entryway, and then my sister's bathroom is right there. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment, so she has her half and I have mine. And then right here, we just have laundry, stacked washer and dryer in that closet. And then down the hall, we have a little mini gallery wall. I just thought this was super cute and a nice touch because this is a pretty big wall and there was really nothing going on. And I will link down below where I got these art prints from because I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think it really ties the space together. And then walking down the hall, so this door here is my bedroom, and then the door on the other side here is my sister's room. And we will circle back to that. Now we've reached the living room, and this is an overview of the living room. I think it looks super cute. I love the black windows. So I'll start off with this dining set. This dining set is from Amazon, but it fits perfectly in the space because there's not a ton of dining space here, but there's just 2 of us that live here. So I think that this really works out. And then here we have the main living area, and we just have some family photos that we put up to make the space feel more homey. And what's actually funny is that we have windows in our room, so we did cover them with curtains, so that's what you see there. That's my sister's window for her room, and I also have one in mine. And then we have our couch, chair, and TV area. So I'll circle around so you can get a better view. So this is the couch. This is literally my prized possession. And I got this couch from CB2. And I just got the pillows from Amazon. I thought they matched really well with the chair that you will see and with the rug. So here is the chair, and I just love boucle, and I got a matching pillow to go with it. The pillow was separate, but this chair is from Article, I believe. And again, I will link everything down below. I have my TV stand. Me and my sister's boyfriend actually spent hours putting this together, but I really like this TV stand, and it matches with all the other furniture. And then lastly, I have this rug here. So this rug, I believe, was from Urban Outfitters, which is super random, but I actually really like their home items. And then here we have the coffee table. And this coffee table is from Home Depot, which is, again, another super random purchase, but I really like it because it's minimal and it's mango wood. So this is honestly the perfect size for the space. And then here we have this tray. I actually got this tray from CB2. I just thought it would be a nice touch. And this is kind of where we keep all of our little candles, coasters, and we even have some Palo Santo there, also from CB2. And then next we have this mirror here. I got this mirror from Amazon, and also these lights that you see kind of balance things out. Those are both from Amazon. And then this basket just hides like a lot of miscellaneous decorations, wires, all of the above. And then now I'll transition to my little workspace. I do work from home, so a workspace is important. And I recently got this desk from Amazon along with the chair, and I'm obsessed. It fits perfectly in this little corner. And we just have some more family photos here and my monitor. So that's all for the living room, super cozy. And next we can go into the kitchen. So I really like the kitchen, super modern. I like that the cabinet doors are touch to open and everything is soft close. So we have our air fryer, some cookbooks. I really like the stove because it's gas and not electric, and I just prefer cooking with gas. And then we have our appliances in the corner there. So again, it's a small kitchen, but I think we added a few things that really jazz it up, like this rug here that I got from Amazon. And then we also have this really cool drying rack here. So then we have the refrigerator and freezer, and then that's just another closet there for storage. And we have our trash can here. Normally I wouldn't show it, but it's actually really cool because if I just hover, it'll open on its own, which I love. And I find that even when I am somewhere that does not have an automatic trash can, I'm always waving my hand around, kind of hoping that it will open. Overview so you guys can see. So we have the living room, and I like that everything's open. So the living room flows directly into the kitchen here. So now we can move on to my bedroom and bathroom. So now we enter my bedroom. And the first thing you'll notice here are my curtains. This is because I do have a window that leads to the kitchen just to get some light, because that is the only window that I have in this bedroom. But I covered it because I think it's kind of weird for people to see from the kitchen into my room. But anyways, moving on, I have my little laundry basket here. I got this from Amazon, but I love this basket because it's decorative and it kind of hides everything and it looks cuter than your average laundry basket. And here's an overview of the bedroom. You'll notice that I have a ton of lamps in here. So that is because, again, I don't have a window, so it does get quite dark in here. So I have one lamp there sitting on my dresser, and this dresser was from Living Spaces. It's their tall dresser and I love it. And then right next to that is my bed, which is also from Living Spaces. And what's cool about this bed is it comes in two different styles. Like we have this style that I have, and then there's also one where you have drawers at the bottom that you can pull out. So I think that's super cool. And then we have some more prints here. I just think that prints really help to add something, a little bit of pizzazz to an apartment. But I have my white bedding. So my bedding is, I have a couple different sheet sets, but I know it's either from Amazon or Brooklinen. It's kind of a mixture of the two, along with the blanket and the pillows. Those are all from Amazon. And then here at the foot of my bed, I have a storage ottoman, so you can actually open it. As you may notice here, it's like literally stuffed to the brim, but that's just where I keep extra clothes and blankets. And I love that it's boucle because it matches with my chair that I have in the living room. And then this door here is my closet. And then I have this rug here also. This rug is from Amazon. And then moving on to this lamp. So I have two more lamps. I pointed one out already. I also have this lamp that's from Amazon, and then another one because I like to film in my bedroom, so I feel like I really need as much light as possible. And then here I have a full body mirror just so I can take my outfit pics. And then here's the bathroom. So I have this cool like shower curtain. I like that it's clear and it has like those little hexagon patterns. It's super cute. And then we have some hooks here. I actually added some hooks. So the apartment came with two hooks that look just like this. But then I added these black hooks here from Amazon just because I needed more hanging space. But this is the bathroom from this angle. We have the mirror. I love that the mirror has these lights on it. The lighting in this bathroom is actually really good. And then I just have double sinks here, which is super convenient because I have a lot of products, so I really take advantage of the space. It's definitely being used. And I just got this plant. I think this plant is from Target. I just thought it was cute and it made my bathroom feel more like a spa. And then I still have my little Christmas towels up for my grandma. And then this tray here that holds miscellaneous items. So this is the bathroom, and again, I will do a 360 so you guys can see. And then here's a final overview of the bedroom from this angle. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated apartment tour. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.